guys, I am Abhi, and today we are going to see structure of an HTML document. So let's get started.
2,000 years later.
First, we will start from HTML. Okay, so this tag means these words are called as tags in HTML document. This tag indicates that the document has been written in HTML. Means this tag is indicating that whatever you write now it will be written in an HTML program. No, wait. It is the starting line of the HTML program. It will come and we have to close also. So we will close this tag afterwards in the end. Now it will come title tag, and you can do both in notepad also and sublime text 3 also. I prefer sublime 3 because we can means these colors come and we can recognize it easily. Whatever title you can give, like HTML program. So then we have to close also. So we will do this and it has come. Okay, and I forgot. After HTML, it is important to write head. Okay, the head is this tag is used to give the heading of the web page. Okay, and when we close it, after title we close it. So okay, so this is used to end the heading. Title tag. Now we'll discuss title tag. This tag is used to give a title to the HTML program. Means this we have written this HTML program. It will show us in the output. So head has completed. Title is also closed. Now we will start with body. Okay, body tag. This contains the body of the web page. It is the area where most of the work is done. Okay, so let's write hello, I'm Avi. Subscribe to Pro Gamers. Do subscribe the channel. Means there will be a red button. You can click on that and you can subscribe to the channel. Okay, now this much only I wanted to write, so I have written this. Okay, so body is closed. Now what is left? HTML. Okay, it is the end of the HTML document. So now how we will save it? Okay, file, save as. Like I'm writing one dot HTML. You have to write. You can write in caps also, and in small also you can write as HTML. It will not. This file will be not corrupted. Okay. Now we will go to desktop and we will open a first web page. Not first, I will say. Okay. So it has shown title is not coming. And you can change the title also. You can write H1, H1. In some computers, it does not.
A few moments later.
Okay, now it is come. See, in my computer, it does not support title. So we can write like H1 also. It will work. Heading tag. It is similar to title tag also. So this is for it. This is the full video about first HTML program. Okay, this is the basics, and we will try to make this also, and this is so much big. Then we will try some skill. So bye, tata, and see you in the next video.